guys, it's beginning of year 2023. Me and Jesse out here about to work on the white truck. It's a little cold, as you can tell. Little hat. We're gonna be replacing front grille, headlights, the turn signals on the bottom of the headlight. You see right here, those are right there. And we're replacing the tail lights, and we're gonna do a couple other things. I don't know if we're gonna split this into how many videos, but enjoy the video today. So me and Jesse, we're gonna take off the fenders, but it's winter over here, so I don't see why to take them off when it's gonna be getting full of salt. So ride these until the winter's done, but at least we could change out the headlights since they're a little dulled out, as you can tell, and the grill is like faded. My dad had this Allstate sticker right there. That was there. That was the insurance that used to rep this truck. So yeah, you'll see the change on this truck in a little bit. See, the back ones are really faded. They're like this weird film to it. Yeah, a little weird. And you'll see the pins, like the door, you have to like slam it. But you can tell the pin is like a lot smaller than what it was. So we're gonna change these out on both sides, and we're gonna get that sucker right there. So join us in the journey. So guys, super easy for the taillights to come out. Two Phillips here, and here, and then one here and one here. So it's 4 total screws, and then pop it out, Jesse. You just unscrew the bolts, and that's it. That's how you change them out. And then just make sure you clean out here. Jesse blew it out. If you saw that, Jesse knows how to blow.
That's what she said.
But yeah, it's not even that bad inside there, not even that rusty. This truck served a lot of years, just since it was new, it was just working, slaving away.
Cool, so I already took off the hinge. So just so I don't fuck up, I usually I'm gonna just leave it like that so I can have a reference of where exactly this is gonna go. But just for you to see the difference, it's got a looks like a polyurethane bushing. I already put the other side. It does come with the bolts for the doors, but ain't nobody got time for that today, so we're just gonna get the hinges on, and later on we're probably gonna get new doors anyway. So guys, back at it again with another episode of broken 3 bolts and lost a 10mm. So we already got this one off. As you see, broke that bolt. I don't know if you can see that. Broke that bolt, but it don't matter because all this is gonna come out anyway. So you gotta take out the assembly from here. It looks like it's about to be these bolts, and then one down here. Rudy's talking about taking off the whole assembly, and then broke that bolt for sure. So he's on this side. We're starting on this side, trying to get what's not broken first, and then fixing what's left. All right, so I'm here with Rudy. We got the whole front end off. Unfortunately, we broke like 4 bolts, and we broke this thing right here. But there's no problem. You can always just put a bigger washer in the back, and then tighten it down like that. So it's not a big problem. But everything's in here. We got everything off. It's looking pretty good, pretty smooth. We already got the door hinges on. So let me give you a quick reference of how good they are. You know, flush.
So guys, if Jesse comes over here, these are the clips that I was selling him. They're really impossible to take off when you're actually on the truck, because if they're easy to break. I usually start from the bottom. So from the bottom to the top, just maneuvering myself. Take it off. So you see, having it inside there, you would never take it off because this wall is blocking it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's one complete nut.
So this is the new grill and the old grill right there. We're switching over the emblems. We got everything off. we got everything off. We had to grind some stuff down, but what we're gonna do for this broken part is we have these washers right here, and pretty much just pop it back here, and a bolts it down. That's pretty much it. We had to cut down this part right here. It's very stubborn, but everything was coming on pretty good. So now we got the chrome grille on there. Honestly, it looks sick. Got the headlights on. All we need is gonna have the chrome outside sections with amber lights in the bottom. Now we're just assembling the chrome pieces. You have to assemble them before putting them inside there. So it's just the last steps before we're all done already.
You know, and I recommend every company I use, but it's aftermarket stuff, so it doesn't fit too well. Just giving you guys a heads up. Oh, look at that, guys. Hey guys, so we're done. We got the back ones installed. We got the front grille installed, as you can tell. But it wasn't easy. We kind of messed up a couple times. Jesse and I did. So these are the top ones you need to take off. Then in the back of this you got two that hold one right here in the back. And then I broke that bolt as Jesse put in his story. I just yanked it, but I fixed it. It looks good. Fitment wasn't as good as I thought it was gonna be, but it's good enough for right now. I'll fix it later. I didn't know this was to adjust the headlight. Kind of messed up, but we're all good. And let's go see the back. Look at those pretty little lights. Woo!